Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, speed control, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, off-road package, rear window defroster, Sirius satellite radio. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.